Today, we have a showdown between two of the most popular investing strategies, dollar cost averaging versus lump sum. If you have money to invest but the volatile market scares you, you won't be scared after this. In fact, you might even be excited to see the markets drop. First, let's define what these two terms mean. Lump sum investing basically means you put all of your money in at once. For example, from the start, if you have 10K to invest, you put all 10K in now and ride the wave of the market. On the other hand, dollar cost averaging means you break up your money into smaller, equal portions and invest those portions over a set time schedule, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. If you have 10K to invest, you might invest 2K per month for 5 months instead of all 10K at once. Dollar cost averaging helps you diversify across time and is usually automated, meaning the money is automatically taken out of your bank account and invested. Each method has its own pros and cons. According to Vanguard, in the long term, lump sum usually made more money than cost averaging. You're putting more money to work sooner and there is more time for it to grow if the markets go up. However, the opposite is also true. If the markets drop, you also take a bigger hit, so it's a gamble. The problem is that most people try to find the perfect time to get in and delay investing for too long, destroying their long-term returns. Peter Lynch, one of the most successful fund managers of all time, once said, "Far more money has been lost by investors preparing for a correction or trying to anticipate corrections than has been lost in the corrections themselves." If you're worried about buying right before a drop or selling right before the markets go up, use dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, you set a plan and follow it regardless of what the market does. Otherwise, use lump sum. However, let me show you why you don't really need to lose sleep over volatile markets, regardless of what method you choose. Let's suppose we have two hypothetical markets, A and B. You're investing $1,000 a year for 5 years. Market A has the following performance, and market B has the following performance. Which market gives you the most amount of money at the end of 5 years? Probably B, right? Wrong. Market B gives you approximately 5.9K, but market A gives you approximately 6K. How can that be? Here's the mathematical calculations for both markets. In market A, you bought shares when the market was down, so you owned more of the market in that scenario. When the prices went back up, you profited more. However, the problem is most people don't let market A work for them because they freak out and sell when they see the market drop. Do you see now how a volatile market can actually help you make money if you just stay true to your plan? If you're finding this video valuable, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. So if you have money to invest, what should you do? Dollar cost averaging or lump sum? Up to you. Although dollar cost averaging usually makes less money than lump sum in the long term, it is less risky and takes the emotional side out of investing. If you're fine with the markets dipping after you invest the lump sum, then you can go with lump sum. If you'd rather play it safe, then go with dollar cost averaging. However, if you pay high trading fees, dollar cost averaging may not make sense for you. The most important key is to start and automate the process, so you can remove the biggest roadblock in your investing journey, such as forgetting to invest or trying to beat the market. If you're still worried about market crashes, remember this famous Warren Buffett quote, "Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful." Markets always change, and the best time to buy is when everything goes on sale. Lastly, knowing how to invest your money is only a small part of the process. You also have to know where to put your money. This next video will go over how to invest in your 20s and beyond so you can figure out where to best put your money.